Stop, look at this.
Some designs merely tell time. Others define a legacy. Uncompromising precision.
Ugly phone photo on the left, cinematic ad on the right, same product, same input. One click between them. I used to think closing that gap meant hiring a designer, paying for 3 AI tools, and burning a full weekend. Then I found this platform, one login, every top model inside. The ad you're staring at, made in under 5 minutes. No skills, no prompts, no designer. Stick with me. I'll show you exactly how. And the platform doing all of that heavy lifting? It's called Lumina, BytePlus's official AI visual creation platform. And it does one thing every other tool refuses to do. It puts every top-tier image and video model in the same place. Seedance 2.0 for video, Seedream 5.0 and GPT Image 2.0 for images, all of them, one login, one bill. No more juggling 5 browser tabs just to finish one simple project. And here's what hit me on day 1. Content generation does not require queuing. You click generate, and it generates. No 4-minute loading bars. No, you're number 87 in line. It just runs. Every time. So here's the plan. We're going to take this one phone photo of a watch and walk it all the way up to that cinematic ad, and you'll see exactly which feature does what. So let me show you the easiest part first. This is where Lumina got me genuinely hooked. It's a feature called AI apps. Think of them as ready-made templates for the exact stuff you actually need to make. Product shots, e-commerce posters, ad creatives, reels, brand visuals, 60+ of them, already built in waiting. You don't write prompts, you don't learn workflows, you drop your photo in, pick a template, and click run. Lumina handles the messy chain underneath, model calls, settings, post-processing automatically. So I take our watch, drop it in, pick the product hero template, and click run. And that's our clean shot. The watch lifted off that messy background, lit like a real studio campaign. No retouching, no editing, no second pass. That's already a usable product image, but it's still a still. Got the shot. Now let's make it move. Say you want more control. You're not making one poster. You're building a whole campaign. That's exactly what the creative canvas is built for. It's a visual workspace where you connect tools like building blocks on a giant whiteboard, image generation on one node, video generation on the next. I bring our watch shot onto the canvas, refine it with Seedream 5.0 to lock in the look I want, that premium, high-contrast lighting. Then I drag it straight into Seedance 2.0 to animate it. And because you don't build every cinematic move from scratch, the canvas comes loaded with templates for the hard stuff. I want that smooth surround move. The camera orbiting the watch like a real Steadicam operator, catching every angle of the case and the dial. So I grab the surround template, drop it on our shot, and that's the motion.
Merely tell time. Others define a legacy. Uncompromising precision.
You're not prompting and praying. You're picking the shot you want and dropping it on the board. From here, I refine it right on the canvas. Tweak the look, wire it into the next node to upscale or restyle. Like a real workspace, just infinite. And there it is, the cinematic watch ad.
Merely tell time. Others define a legacy. Uncompromising precision.
Same watch, same phone photo we started with. But one version isn't enough. Watch this. This is the feature that genuinely broke my brain. It's called batch run. Once your workflow is set, the exact one we just built for this ad, you hit one button, and Lumina generates multiple sets of results in one single go. So instead of one ad for our watch, I get 20 variations at the exact same time. Different angles, different lighting, different copy on the poster, 20 finished options to pick from, in the time it used to take me to make one. You stop creating one nervous shot and praying it lands. You start picking the strongest hit from a pile of 20. So why does all of this actually matter? Remember the ad from the very start of this video? That was this. AI apps for the shot, creative canvas for the motion, batch run for the options, all inside one platform under 5 minutes. Because the real cost of being a creator right now isn't gear and it isn't software. It's time. Switching between 5 tools, paying for 5 subscriptions, learning 5 different prompt styles just to get one piece of work out the door. Lumina collapses all of that into one clean platform with the best models already inside. Beginners get the AI apps templates. Power users get the creative canvas. Teams and businesses get the batch run. Nobody gets left out, and nobody pays for 5 things to do one job anymore. But here's the part you need before leaving. Right now, Lumina is giving away free credits to everyone who signs up through the link below. It's the first link in the description, and I've pinned it as the top comment, so you can't miss it. There's a limited time offer that unlocks the full platform for just 99 cents. 99 cents, less than a cup of coffee, to make a cinematic ad for a watch that sells for thousands. That's the most powerful visual AI stack on the internet for the price of nothing. Tap the link below, grab the 99-cent deal before it disappears, and go make something. If you build something cool with it, tag me. I genuinely want to see what you create. That's it from me. Catch you in the next one.